will join 26 other states who have challenged the constitutionality of the Obama health care plan. Like many federal courts and at least 3 courts of appeals, they have determined and have said that the individual mandate to require citizens to engage in commerce and buy government health care is illegal and unconstitutional. And I agree with them.
There's tons and hundreds of lawyers out there that are going to they're going to scrub this case from one end to the other. It's going to the U.S. Supreme Court. I hated to see Mississippi waste money, on lawyers when, our views would be heard. So I allowed Governor Barber to go ahead and hire attorneys. He wanted to make a political statement, and I said, well, go ahead, but, you're costing Mississippi money in doing that. Because it's going to the United States Supreme Court. They're going to have to change the law as it is now.
Mississippi, like the majority of states in this country, feel that it's, first of all, unconstitutional. Second of all, that it's bad for our state. And thirdly, that unfunded federal mandates cannot continue to be pushed down on states of Mississippi and other states when we simply can't afford it. 400,000 Mississippians will be eligible for Medicaid that aren't today. The only possible way to do that is to substantially reduce the benefits and services and substantially increase the cost, which is a tax increase. It kills small business. Small business will go out of business. They will discontinue health care benefits for their employees. Jobs will be lost. It's not about let's save some money. It's about doing your job and representing the will of Mississippians who don't want it, can't afford it, and oppose it. So yeah, it would have made a difference. You stand up for your client, the citizens of Mississippi, and he didn't do that.
I had constitutional professors in Ole Miss and down here at Mississippi College. They kind of scoffed at this because they were going, the federal government, although I don't agree with it, the federal government has reach in some very unique, small areas that we don't really contemplate, like a Kansas wheat farmer. They said by federal law, you can't feed your hogs your own wheat, you got to go buy it, which sounds ridiculous to me. But that affected interstate commerce, therefore they could take action. And so, I had to actually go over to MC and make a university professor sit down and get in the ditch with me and bat it back around and back and forth. Our people in our office looked at it, and so the United States Supreme Court is going to change the law. I want to let other states bear the burden of that cost. I allowed Governor Barber to make his political statement on that issue.
I believe funding the act, the Obama Health Care Act, by taking $500 billion in Medicare cuts will deprive senior citizens of benefits and services that they can't afford to lose. I believe that Mississippi's matching share and our cost of the Obama health care plan can only be made by a substantial tax increase. And I believe the Obama health care plan will put Mississippi's lifeblood, which is small business, out of business. Small businesses cannot afford, don't need, and cannot pay the cost of the Obama health care plan. I believe in health care reform, but I believe in health care reform that is affordable and legal, first of all.
We would not be spending money on lawyers right now if Governor Barber had to want to make a political statement. Well, I think Clarence later said it's a political statement. It's a political issue. And so it wouldn't have made any difference. What I'm doing, though, is I'm using our courts. I'm using my time to protect Mississippi citizens, to protect our children, our elderly, and victims of domestic violence. And I'm going to use and concentrate my time on something we can have an impact on, not some political partisan issue out here that the federal government's going to have to deal with. I'm doing what the Attorney General of the state of Mississippi should be doing. That's what I've done for 8 years. You know what my record is, and that's what I intend to continue to do as your next Attorney General for 4 more years. Thanks.